Welcome back to Future News. As always, an article linked to these humanoid helpers can be found in the description below. In the heart of China, a technological revolution is brewing. A partnership between UB Tech, a leading robotics company, and Foxconn, the manufacturing giant behind Apple's iPhones, is poised to reshape the future of production. This collaboration marks a significant leap forward in automation, with humanoid robots taking center stage on the factory floor. Foxconn, known for its vast manufacturing capabilities, has long sought ways to enhance efficiency and productivity. Their partnership with UB Tech signals a commitment to embracing cutting-edge robotics to achieve these goals. The implications for the manufacturing industry worldwide are profound. At the forefront of this revolution is the Walker S1, a marvel of modern engineering designed to push the boundaries of what robots can achieve. This humanoid robot, standing at an impressive 5.6 feet tall and weighing 167.6 pounds, is a testament to the advancements in robotics. It is designed to seamlessly integrate into existing production lines, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Its capabilities are as impressive as its stature, with a sleek design that combines form and function. The Walker S1 is equipped with advanced sensors and dexterity, enabling it to perform a wide range of tasks previously exclusive to human workers. From visual inspections and quality control to carrying heavy parcels and materials across the factory floor to the delicate assembly of intricate components, ensuring precision and accuracy in every task, the Walker S1 demonstrates remarkable versatility and adaptability, making it an invaluable asset in modern manufacturing. Before these robots can join the ranks of their human counterparts, they undergo rigorous training. Foxconn's factories in Shenzhen have become testing grounds for these robotic apprentices. Here, the Walker S1 robots are put through their paces, honing their skills under the watchful eyes of engineers. These training programs are crucial for ensuring that the robots can perform their designated tasks with precision and efficiency. The robots' movements are fine-tuned, their perception is sharpened, and their decision-making algorithms are refined. This meticulous process prepares them for the demands of a real-world factory setting. Section 4. The impact on human workers. The introduction of humanoid robots into manufacturing raises questions about the future of human labor. As these robots become more advanced and capable, the dynamics of the workforce are bound to change. Will these robots displace human workers, or will they create new opportunities for human labor in different areas? UB Tech and Foxconn maintain that the initial focus is on automating tasks that are physically demanding or potentially hazardous to human health. Repetitive motions, heavy lifting, and prolonged exposure to harsh conditions can take a toll on human workers. These tasks are not only exhausting, but can also lead to serious injuries over time. By delegating these tasks to robots, the risk of workplace injuries and long-term health problems can be reduced. This not only improves safety, but also enhances overall productivity. This shift allows human workers to focus on less strenuous and more specialized roles. These roles often require critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills, which robots are not yet capable of. Section 5. A glimpse into the future of manufacturing. The partnership between UB Tech and Foxconn is a glimpse into the future of manufacturing. This collaboration showcases how cutting-edge technology can be seamlessly integrated into traditional production environments, creating a harmonious blend of human expertise and robotic efficiency. As humanoid robots become increasingly sophisticated and affordable, their adoption is likely to accelerate. These robots are not just tools, they are partners in the manufacturing process, capable of performing complex tasks with precision and consistency. This transformation has the potential to revolutionize production processes, making them more efficient, flexible, and responsive to evolving market demands. The synergy between human workers and robots can lead to unprecedented levels of productivity and innovation. While challenges remain in terms of fully integrating robots into existing workflows and addressing concerns about job displacement, ongoing advancements in technology and training are paving the way for a more collaborative future. The potential benefits of this technological leap forward are undeniable. Enhanced safety, reduced operational costs, and the ability to quickly adapt to new production requirements are just a few of the advantages. The fusion of human ingenuity and robotic precision promises to usher in a new era of manufacturing, one characterized by innovation and efficiency. This new era will be one where productivity and worker well-being go hand in hand, creating a more sustainable and prosperous future for all.